I hate them, you hate them, brake pull complaints. I got a couple tips to help you resolve them so you get it right the first time. Next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
When you get a brake pull into your shop and you need to resolve the complaint, there's a couple things you need to look at before you even go on the test drive to confirm that it's not the brake system. First of all, check the tire inflation. If the inflation is off, well, chances are that vehicle will pull and it's going to become worse under braking. Next, inspect the suspension. Especially look at the bushings. On some McPherson strut vehicles, you'll see large bushings at the rear of the control arm. These can wear over time, and these can cause camber and toe changes under braking. If one side's different than the other, well, chances are you're going to have a brake pull. Next, look at the codes on the vehicle. In some cases, a brake pull may be caused by the ABS HCU. A valve inside for either isolation or dump may be stuck on or off. This can cause a brake pull because one side is able to brake and the other side isn't. So before you throw another set of pads or rotors on the vehicle or even a set of calipers, make sure you're inspecting the vehicle fully. Suspension and tires can cause a brake pull that need to be resolved before you start servicing the brakes. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.